Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple code. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video, we have seen how we can update record in Firestore using React Native with Typescript. In this video, we are going to learn how we can remove or delete the information on the basis of SID. So for that, again, we have to create one more button. So it's a very simple copy paste. So here I select it, then Shift Alt and arrow function. Automatically we have the copy of this code. Then I have a delete is here. Then I make function modification, I say delete, very neat and clean. Then I create this function, just go on top of this and I will create the function delete. So I go there and I say delete info equal to arrow function. Now I need to delete the information. For that we just check the code here, and the last we will have removing the delete here. Just copy paste. So very simple, paste here, and if SID, remember, if this SID is available, put here, then do this copy paste, then we need to put this and this, save this, and I say please insert the SID. Otherwise we have to pass the student, then I pass here the SID on which I want to delete, then I delete it, and then we are calling. After that we need to display information that record is deleted. So I say here record deleted, save this. So very simple. If SID is not available, I click on delete button, it says please insert a record. I read the information, you see that we have the information. You see I have a 3 record here, third one I want to delete, so I pass here 3 and I click on delete button, you say record deleted. Once again I try to read the record, you will see that you will have only 2 record now. Remember, if I make it blank, I don't pass anything, I click here delete, it will say please insert the SID. If I try to put the 4, means this ID is not available, click on delete button, you say record deleted. So it would not response on the delete ID is not found. For that we can use more option available here. Those are filtering options. You see filtering options we have, so we can pass the condition where, like this we have the filtering option. You have where condition you can apply. If ID is available, then we can remove it. So these kind of thing we can do, is depend on your requirement what you want, but here I have explained you in a very simple way how you can perform these code operations with Firestore using React Native with Typescript. You see, if you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.